Hey there guys, today I'm going to be playing Teardown. Um, this video is kind of different from what I usually make because I make Roblox videos, but I wanted to try something new, and if you like it, then please comment. I would really like some feedback on this video, and it would support me if I get more likes and comments. Um, I didn't highly edit this video because, did it really need that much editing? So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you later. Alright. Um, Kind of peaceful. There you go. Okay. It's my flashlight, it's crouch. So stupid. We just open this up. Sick right, Jesus. Ain't it? Nah, can't. Pick up. I might change stuff. Oh. Open this up. There we go. Just restart it, right? Yeah, there we go. Now we have power. Just close these doors back. I'm an amazing person. Gas bill. Oh. It's okay. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we have to pretty much accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. Alright, so my mom is named Tracy. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need money. You up for it? Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for the new wing, and I'd need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I'd even be willing to pay more than the standard rate for some extra decoration. Quick execution and uncomfortable working hours. Would you be able to take care of it? Duh. I mean, as long as we just gotta tear it down. Ooh, you see what I did there? So, oh, I could tear it down? Heck yeah. Oh god, it's, oh lord. I gotta put up the fire, huh? Wait, wouldn't I want it to burn it down? Is there certain things I can't break? Okay, so maybe I needed those. Just a slight maybe. Can I use these? Oh my god, I can. This is just amazing. I'm tearing it down, alright. Okay, I'm done. And, we're done. Like that. Pretty easy. No biggie in it. Let's jump down. Okay, I take fall damage. Fine. Oh, I did that. Okay. Let's see. That's out. If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little blunder will be forgotten. I'll take it. I mean, if I'm gonna get in trouble already, I might as well get in more trouble, you know? So, Parisa wants access to Lee's customers registry. Pick up 3 computers at the cipher. Okay. Doesn't seem like trouble. It seems kind of easy. Okay. Fire alarm. Large fires will trigger the alarm. Okay, so I just don't make an alarm. What do I gotta do? Just find the stuff and get out? Okay, simple. Let's just pull these open just in case. Just in case, you know? Just in case anything happens. Hey guys, editing Mersey here. So going back, I kind of look like a total doofus, like just doing all this, cause I mean, I kind of sucked at the game, and I still kind of do. But I really sucked in this mission. It took my sweet time doing it. I kind of just sped it up for you guys because I knew you guys didn't want to like watch me struggle. So yeah, you're welcome. No problems. Nothing. Yeah, I'm not even gonna worry about that. We're just gonna go. All right. Second mission done. New high score, 5 minutes and 2 seconds. See, not even that bad. Eating blueberries. Alright. And let's get this on the road. Alright. So, follow up from the previous mission. Air upgrade security. Should be running up again. Okay, none of this. Right. Login devices. The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to BT and no further details. So I really have to bother you with this with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. I should be able to cross-reference their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they are moving the product and what BT means. I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Alright. I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen, you know? I get shot? Like, it's not gonna happen. I'm so freaking cool. Oh my god, I'm gonna get shot, aren't I?
No.
Alright, let's eat these blueberries, and I'm gonna go in. Nah, screw it. I don't care. Like, how else am I supposed to get it? Oh. Ah, I wonder where else I'm supposed to get it. Alright, what else do I have to do? Alright, I have to go into this building, that building, and that building. So, every big red brick building. I don't know what security measures they have. Well, no. I mean, I'll just save time doing that. Alright. Yeah. Cross the river into the truck. My gut's getting nervous doing this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Quickly, 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 move! Out here. To the truck. Oh my god, this thing fell off. I'm out. Let's go. And I'm out. And I'm out. And I'm out. Let's freaking go. Oh, I had freaking 10 seconds left. Dude, that actually got my stomach nervous. Oh, I hated that. Ugh. Ugh. Amateur. New tool unlocked. Blowtorch. You can upgrade your tools in the computer terminal. Yeah, okay, Mom, I don't care. Need coffee. They turned off the gas. I can't even make proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients, so I'll reach out to Gordon to see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Mom. Gordon Wu. Marina too small. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems to have cooled off now. We can finally start construction. I have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the board says there's no space for a new dock. You could use your demolition skills again, and remove one of the timeshare cabins. If the original documentation also disappeared, then ta-da! Like it was never there. Okay. As long as I get money. I could probably fit it on the bed. Alright, let's see what I have in here. What am I supposed to be getting? Safe upstairs. Are you freaking serious? Such a freaking princess, dude. Oh, but move in the way. Like, what are you getting stuck on now? Just gonna get some stupid industrial tool to get out of my way. There you go. Are you in the water? Go. Just like that. I mean, like, silly go. Like, oh, yeah, my bad. Where exactly is that? Alright, it's literally right in front of me. Yeah, so my headphones just kinda died. Slight difficulty. Who cares? It's just a little bit of sound. You know, not like it's gonna be the end of the world. You know. What do I have to do with this thing? Huh. It's the same thing. Oh, come on. And it's gone. And it completely sunk. Alright, whatever. Let's just get on up. Just go around it. Break its supports. Almost like it was never here. Oh, almost. Almost. Keep going. Yep, yep. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Alright. Now we drop this boat. Stop here, and we get on our way. Alright! Not even that bad. It was a good mission, 9 minutes. I mean, I'm getting my content. What? Why did I... Okay. Oh. What the? Okay. Let's get a good new shotgun. Right. I didn't know. It's like it's muffled for me, but it's not muffled. Like, I don't know. Fantastic work at the marina. Looks like it worked because it just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. Another thing came up. There was this classic car auction up at the Black River the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr., that youngster who inherited the chemical plant a few years ago. Absolutely no interest in cars. He's just looking for ways to rotate his dirty money. It's a gosh. I'll take these. About to put those cars on a ship overseas any day now. No being out of the country for good. If that's not criminal, I don't know what is. Can you help me require these 2 gems? 2? Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Where? Where am I going? Oh. At the dock. Again. Because apparently... Let's work that out again. We're gonna try that again. We're just not gonna be stupid. Documents enough. So okay, I can just let me go get these documents. Voice crack. You didn't hear that? My bad. I'm grabbing anything that's like valuable in this house. I don't care. Ooh, 400 bucks? I just hit myself 100. My bad. Dude, like, is this a main target? Like, do I have to get this? No, I don't. Okay. Ah, it just showed up as valuable too. No eating at the desk. That's lame. Let your employees do whatever they want. Okay, let's look around. Let's look around and see what I have to do. This thing is fast. I'm gonna fly off. Oh God, it's horrible. Oh, I didn't even realize this is lead something. Put that there. Put that there. Oh, see? I didn't even know that was an open gate. I just ran straight through it the first time. Just like this one. Oh god, maybe I should stop doing that. Wait, where's my exit vehicle? There it is. I can bring the ship, put the bed here, drive it, go there, drive it, go there. Okay. Open the necessity. Thank you. Or I could just straight up grab the crate. I could just straight up grab the crate. Instead of going through all this. Where's the fun in that? Doors. I hate doors. Open up. Yeah, I could just... Yeah, I'm just gonna drop the boat. Screw it. What's the worst that could happen? I'm gonna save. And then I'm gonna do it. Okay. Because this thing is surprisingly very weak for how big it is. Okay. And if only they actually move this faster. This is quite boring. I mean, who said it was gonna be fun? Like, open the... Oh my god. Straight in, and we're out. Like, simple as that, dude. Like, oh my god. So freaking easy. Phone notifications. Alright! We're like, why am I... Oh, I have the red truck, okay. Okay. Alright, let's check this out. It says Lawrence Lee Jr., who has bought the cars at an auction just a few days ago. Okay, well, I didn't really get the full story, so I don't really care. Not really demolition, but I've had a series of break-in. Oh, buddy. Taking a lead in the way. Like, I'm not sure if I want to do this. Like, I'm not really sure. Oh, I completely reset. What the? Ah. Okay. All in reverse. All in reverse, baby. All in reverse. All in reverse. Maybe let's put it right here. I shouldn't be able to get in the way. No. Just in case. What's just in case the worst happens. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Say that again. My bad. Except I completely missed. Oh my god, I need to get a job. Such a bum. Okay, I have a back at you. Back at you. Get it? My bad. Going right up here. We're gonna try and go up here. Alright. Quick save. Next time I need to press quick load. So I didn't do that last time. And then I reset it from the very beginning and I have to do this whole setup again. Alright. Go, do it. Go. There we go. Alright. Good. Here we go. Okay, we go. Just move, bro! Alright, and we go. Just like that. Simple as pie. Accidentally paused the game. My bad. Let's go. I did it. Trespasser, you. Oh. I'm a trespasser. Let's go. Not a good thing. Planks. Planks can be. Oh my god, bro. I can't talk shit. I'm gonna lose it. Alright. Plank tool. You can also attach. What? Oh, this is so stupid. Okay. How much money do I have? 850. GPS. I'm thinking heavy lifting. Yada. Mom is not called in a minute. I think she died. I think my mom died. Okay. Up all night, yada yada yada. GPS something something something. West Point Marina, GPS right. I'm working with the feds, bro. I'm working with the bro. What's the worst that can happen? Money. Money. Okay. It's kind of bad. What the? Are you? What the? I can't even get up there. I don't know how to drive with a trailer on board. Whoops. I'm gonna get this to clear a path for me. I want to see, can I drive this? No. No, I can't. Yeah. So what purpose do you serve, bro? Right. Think I can still drive it? I think so. Okay, let's just pick this stupid thing. I didn't load. Oh my god, this is gonna be the reason I failed the mission. This is actually gonna be the reason I failed the mission. Oh my god, this might be the reason I failed the mission. I will go bat crazy. I hate steering boats. Is there no other boat on this stupid fucking map? Well, I can't drive it because... Let's go back to actually setting this thing up. Move out of my way, dude. Go, shoot, shoot. Yeah, bro, I could do this. Okay, when I finish this mission, I'm ending the video, dude. I'm about to lose it. Okay. Set this up for me to get on the boat. I can't, like, stay on it. Okay, right there. Go up. Yank this. Jump. Or at least try to jump. Let's just do a little planking. Ha! Ha! Did nothing. Did nothing. What the? My God. No, kind of worked. Okay, let's go set up over there. I don't even care for that thing. There's right here. like, what am I supposed to do, bro? Like, what am I? Just use the second one. Noted. Okay, and then run. Alright, then you run here, you run here, you run here, run here, run here, run here, run here. Yeah, run right here. The game I'm streaming? Yeah. Yeah, it's actually really good. Is that the series?
No, it wasn't me.
It's so stupid. Huh? No, I'm not talking to nobody. I'm mean, the streaming. It's difficult though. Yeah. I have to take some things, like I have to take 3 things that are across the map, and then I have to take them in a short time frame. 1 minute. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they're all different. Yep. Okay, come in here, run up. Up here, run up. Ha! Ha! I love this game so much. Oh my god! Oh my! Oh! Okay, run up, get it. Come out here, and then good. All right, let's run it. Oh yeah, Dad came into the room. My bad. Yeah, I came in here, farted. Love my dad. To go. I might not be able to do that. Let's sludge that off. And back over here. Because I just realized what they told me about before, like, started the mission. Now I got planks. Alright. Quick save. Run it. Fast little boat. And we're out like that. Let's go. And I'm watching my car. Okay, there goes my getaway car. All right. Watch my route. I stopped there. You can see where I struggle going up. Get a record, then I go off and drive, and then we watch as the blue car goes away.